Listening. Jimmy's weekend. A thief robbed a house on Saturday. A detective is questioning Jimmy. Listen to their conversation. Are Jimmy's answers true or false?
Hello, Jimmy. I'm Detective Roberts. Can I ask you a few questions about your weekend?
Hi, Detective. Sure. What do you want to know about my weekend?
Now, just tell the truth. Where were you at 1 p.m. on Saturday?
1 p.m. on Saturday? Well, I remember. I was at home. I watched the baseball game on TV. Yeah, the White Hats won, 4-0. It was a great game.
Okay. Where were you at 3 p.m.?
At 3? Oh, yeah. I went to my martial arts class like I always do. Every Saturday at 3.
Martial arts, huh? Well, okay. And what did you do after that, at 5 p.m.?
After class, I visited some old friends of mine, Jordan and Stephanie Smith, on Lake Street.
Yeah? Jordan and Stephanie Smith. We'll talk to them. Now, Jimmy, 6 o'clock. Where were you at 6 o'clock?
At 6? Well, I went home at 6. Yeah, to, clean the house.
Yeah. So you cleaned the house. Now listen carefully, Jimmy. Where were you at 8 o'clock on Saturday night?
At 8? Oh yeah, I remember now. I was at home. I watched a terrific movie. Yeah, it was great.
Oh, you watched a movie. And what movie did you watch? What was the name of the movie, Jimmy?
The movie? The name of the movie? Let me think a minute. It was a fantastic movie.
Really?
No, wait. I remember. It was, it was exciting.
Okay, Jimmy.
And I clearly remember that I went to bed at 10:30, exactly. Yeah. I watched the movie, and I went to bed right after, the movie. Yeah, boy, I was tired. A long day, like I said.
Interesting. Very interesting, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Let's go down to the police station.
The police station? Me? Why me? I was at home on Saturday night.
Sure, Jimmy. Sure.